Mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, so let's start by defining these really quickly. So mean is what's commonly referred to as the average. So you add, find the mean, you add all numbers. So you take the sum, add, then divide by the number of numbers. Then divide by the number of numbers. Okay, the median is the middle. And if there's two middle, then you find the mean of those two middle numbers, and that'll be the median. The mode is the most common. Okay, the one that shows up the most. And there can be more than one mode. And the range is the biggest number minus the smallest. It's biggest minus smallest. Biggest have two G's in it. Let's just put largest minus smallest. Okay, so for these numbers, we got 11, 19, 9, 20, 14, and another 20. So the one that sticks out to me, the mode, the one that shows up the most, we have two 20s, so our mode here is going to be 20. It's the only one that shows up twice. Our range is going to be the biggest minus the smallest, or the largest minus the smallest. So our largest number up here is 20. Our smallest number is 6. So our range is going to be 14. Alright, so to find the median, we're going to have to put these in order first. So I'm going to rewrite these in order. So I've got 6 is the smallest, and I'm going to cross them out as I go, so I know that I marked it. 6, the next highest is 11, then we've got 14, 19, and then we have two 20s, 20, 20. Okay, so to find the median, the middle number, we're gonna cross out smallest, cross out largest, cross out smallest, cross out largest, and we have two numbers in the middle. So what we're going to have to do here is find the mean of these two numbers. Which number would go right between 14 and 19? So if I add them up, 14 plus 19 gives me 33. So 33 divided by 2, 2 goes into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down this 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. Now we're going to mark our decimal. Let's just add a couple zeros. Bring our decimal up. 6 times 2 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. And then we're going to bring down this very last zero that we need. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So our median is going to be 16.5. That's 1.5 away from 14. It's 1.5 away from 19. So it's right in the middle there. Now for our mean, I'm going to use a calculator to speed this up. So we're going to add all these numbers up and then divide by the number of numbers. So I've got 6 plus 11 plus 14 plus 19 plus 20, and then we've got another 20. And that is our sum is 90. And if you count the number of numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So 90 divided by 6 is going to give us our mean. Our mean here, or our average, is going to be 15. We have a mean of 15. Okay, now let's do the next set. So let's see, I've got two 11s, I've got two 15s, I've got two 6s. So it looks like my mode, I'm going to have 3 of them. 11. No, I'm sorry, 2 of them. No, 3. 11, 6, and 15. I have 3 modes because they all show up twice. I got 2 11s here, 2 6s, and 2 15s. Okay, now the range is going to be the biggest minus the smallest, or largest minus smallest. So that would be 19 minus the smallest here being 6, and that gives me 13. So I have a range of 13. Now for the median, we're going to have to put them in order first. So the smallest is 6, and we've got 2 of those. Next is 7. Then we've got 9. And we've got 2 11s. 2 15s. And 1 19. So for our median, we can just take a different color. Cross out smallest, cross out largest, cross out smallest, cross out largest, cross out smallest, cross out largest, cross out smallest, cross out largest. Our median is going to be 11. It's right in the middle. It's got 4 numbers on this side. It's got 4 numbers on this side. Now for our mean, I'm going to speed things up with the calculator. So if I add them all up, I've got 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 11 plus 15 plus 15 plus 19, and the sum is 99. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So 99 divided by 9, we don't need the calculator for this, but yeah, it's 11. So the mean is 11, the median is 11. We have 3 modes, 11, 6, and 15, and our range is 13.